Hello everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation on promoting student inquiry with Worldwide Telescope. My name is Justin Jerome, and I, under the mentorship of Dr. Aaron Lee at St. Mary's College of California, have created a collection of interactive and engaging laboratory activities for introductory astronomy courses. With introductory astronomy being potentially the last science course non-STEM majors ever take, we want students to leave these courses with an appreciation of the cosmos and of the scientific process. To create our labs, we used a program called Worldwide Telescope, a free, open-source software package that provides the universe on your computer. Users can navigate the Earth, solar system, and Milky Way, and access real astronomical data all at the click of a button. As of now, we have 3 completed labs. Our electromagnetic spectrum lab allows students to utilize a wealth of real astronomical images taken from all-sky surveys across the electromagnetic spectrum, giving students the opportunity to peer into the Milky Way galaxy in novel ways. Students can gain an appreciation for how different kinds of radiation can be used to study different phenomena, ranging from cold gas clouds to hot supernova remnants. This is an exploratory lab, allowing students to explore the cosmos and build a foundation for their understanding of the Milky Way galaxy that will be built upon later in the semester. Our Phases Lab teaches students the phases of the moon and how they arise, and allows students to practice what they learn. In this lab, students will observe the various phases of the moon, determine the causes, and design their own experiments to answer questions throughout the lab. Students will then apply this knowledge of the moon's phases to other bodies in our solar system, such as Venus. This allows students to develop their understanding with more familiar concepts and then apply these ideas to more complex phenomena. Our Retrograde Motion Lab is a fully interactive computational lab that studies the observations and origin of retrograde motion and leads students through inquiry-based activities that allow the students to gather data and observations and use these findings to deduce their own evidence-based conclusions. Students will explore retrograde motion, its causes, and how this phenomenon led to our current understanding of the solar system. During this lab, students will have the opportunity to study the planet of their choosing, build experiments, and gather data regarding this planet. All of these labs, which are publicly available, only require a computer with internet access, which allows anyone to participate in the scientific process. The primary purpose of this presentation is to share our labs with the astronomy education community and explain how they can be used to enhance student learning, especially in this increasingly virtual world. But we also want to highlight how the technology available today allows us, as both instructors and students, to connect with the universe around us.